Today we're going to bring a multiple splitter, and this is for displays, all right? So you got multiple options in here. You have two HDMIs and two display ports, all right? You guys, two HDMIs, two display ports. The whole thing is aluminum. The best part about it, you're going to love this. It has a type A connection, a USB type A, and then look at the hidden compartment. This is a type C connection. So if you have an older machine, no problem, type A. Now, you do have to have requirements. You do need 3.0 in order to make it work. We're going to connect this to a monitor and connect it straight to our laptop to see how it works. So let's go ahead and set it up and show you guys how it works, how simple it is to set up. All right, so we currently have two monitors in here, if you guys can see that. We have a Type C. This is a Microsoft Surface Studio, so we're going to turn it on right now. And we're going to connect the Type C connection, all right, to split this whole unit. So I do have some Type C here. I'm going to plug it in here. Plug it in, and it's going to take a while because it's still loading up. I still have to log in, so let me log in. Once it logs in, it's going to start kicking in the actual monitors, if you guys can see. There goes one monitor coming in here, and there goes the second one. So you got all three units plug in correctly, if you guys can see it running off that unit. I like this thing. It just kicked in really quick, really fast too. And of course, just to prove it, to show you, I'm going to open one of these folders, and then I'm going to drag this folder to the different sizes. Look at that. I'm going to split it up there. You guys can see that. So 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. It split all three monitors exactly how I want them. So it has one monitor here, 2, and if I want, bring it down here, 3. So with the splitter, you can have multiple, as long as your GPU can handle it. Not every laptop can handle it. This one has an NVIDIA. It can handle multiple displays. I had no issues with it, but there are laptops that cannot handle multiple displays because of the GPU, or they're either their Celeron or their older models. But this one picks up really great all three monitors into one. So if you guys are in the market for your conference room, or want to have multiple displays, if you have multiple different projectors, is a perfect device for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.